Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Chrome bookmarks from a backup profile, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and click on Advanced to reveal more options. Under the Reset and Cleanup section, choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm your choice by clicking Reset Settings. Close Google. Locate the backup profile folder on your computer. On a Windows PC, navigate to c:/users/left bracket your username right bracket /appdata/local/google/chrome/user-data. On a Mac, go to /library application support Google Chrome. Identify the folder for your backup profile. Copy the bookmarks file from the backup profile folder. Navigate back to the main profile folder. Open the folder corresponding to your primary Chrome profile. Before pasting, rename the existing bookmarks file to bookmarks_old. Paste the copied bookmarks file from the backup into the primary profile folder. Restart Google Chrome. Your restored bookmarks should now be visible in the bookmarks bar. If necessary, check the Bookmarks Manager for any additional organization. Enjoy your restored bookmarks with easy access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.